This is our video presentation. I'm going to talk about command line versus terminal versus shell. Terminal, tool that you use to type and execute commands. Used to be hardware, now we use terminal emulator software. Command line, the interface of the terminal. Windows often calls their terminal program the command line. The two terms are used interchangeably. Shell, the program that the terminal runs, the OS of the terminal. Let's talk about Windows. Windows used to use a shell called command.com that was later switched to cmd.exe. Windows also offers PowerShell, which has different command than Bash, ZSH, and other Unix-based shell. There are a lot Unix-based solutions for Windows, including JIT, Bash, and WSL, Windows Subsystem Linux. Now we proceed the 20 Windows CMD command. dir. The dir command displays a list of files and folders in the current directory. It's like opening a folder in File Explorer, but in text form. Just type dir and hit enter. The cd, change directory. cd stands for change directory. It lets you move into another folder. For example, cd documents, open the documents folder. cd. Typing cd takes you one level up to the parent folder. It's useful when navigating backward in your folder structure. mkdir or rd. Make directory. This stands for remove directory. It deletes an empty folder. Use rmdir folder name to remove it. Del. The del command deletes file. For example, del notes that text will permanently remove that file. Copy. Copy duplicates a file from one location to another. For example, copy a .txt backup makes a copy of a text in the backup folder. Move. Move transfers a file to a new location or renames it. You can move a .text to another folder or use it like this. Move old .text new .text to rename a file. Ren. Rename. Ren is short for rename. You can rename a file like this. Ren old .text new .text. Type. The type command displays the contents of a text file in the CMD window. For example, type notes that text will show the text inside the file. Echo. Echo displays a message or the value of a variable. Type echo hello and CMD will print hello. You can also use it to check system variables like %username %. ifconfig. ifconfig shows your network settings like your IP address and gateway. Type it to troubleshoot internet problems. Ping. Ping checks your connection to a website or another computer. For example, ping google.com test if your internet is working. System info. System info displays detailed information about your computer, including your operating system, memory, and processor. Type it to get your PC's full specs. Task list. Task list shows all currently running programs and background processes. It's like task manager in command form. Task kill. Task kill forcefully closes a running program. For example, task kill /im notepad.x /f will close notepad even if it's frozen. Help. Not sure what a command does? Type help to see a list of all commands with short description. Hostname. This command shows the name of your computer, also called your hostname. Netstat. Netstat shows all active internet or network connection and the ports that you're using. It's great for monitoring your network. Tree. Tree shows a folder structure like a tree diagram. Use tree/f to include files in the view. And that's it. Those were 20 of the most useful command line tools in Windows. Whether you're managing files, checking system info, or fixing network problems, CMD can be a powerful tool. Thanks for watching, and we hope you learned something new.